Okay, so let's move on to class. Just we'll see overview what is Terraform and all. Anyway, we'll see continuation tomorrow. So today we are going to see there is new tool. Mostly interview also most of the people they are asking, and real time also many people right, so uh, many people so they are using Terraform infrastructure, IOA infrastructure as a code tool. జస్ట్ మనకి వాట్సాప్లో మెసేజ్ చేస్తారా?
నేను చేస్తానండి.
క్లాస్ స్టార్టెడ్ అని పెట్టండి.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఓకే, నౌ గో టు హియర్. Now right, so now cloud AWS, and first let me open. Okay, where is my document? We'll see. Terraform, this one, Terraform. Now, as of now, right, so cloud AWS already, and so if you want to create any infrastructure, for example, I want to create infrastructure, how we are creating? So, do we have any automation or you are creating manually? Right? So now, there is many clouds available in market, right? For example, AWS cloud already, and GCP, GCP and Microsoft Azure. There is many clouds available. Microsoft, Microsoft Azure and all. Someone is joined. Microsoft Azure and all, right? So as of now, I need one instance. If you want to create any infrastructure, this is a cloud. So AWS, now we know how to create how to create so instances and all, how to create VPC, how to create right, IAM and S3 bucket and auto scaling load balancer. There is many things, right? Now, so now as of now, if you want to create any infrastructure, how we are creating? Manual only we are creating, right? So, but manual only we are creating. But if you come to real time, and so there is some tools available. So manually means maybe you can do some mistakes and repeated task. So instance, easy to instance we know we need, right? So EC2 means we need some configuration. What is the AMI? And so these are same. Mostly we are selecting some common, right? AMI, AMI, and instance type and security group and what is the VPC. If you create, if you want to create any instance, what is the mandatory we are selecting? So AMI, right? And also instance type, instance type, and also we are using security group, SC security group. Next VPC. Next we are selecting subnet. So this and all we are selecting manually and we are creating instance. But every time these all are mandatory or not? Repetitive task, right? Now understand. If you need one AWS instance, EC2 instance. So while creating AWS instance, we are selecting AMI first step, and we are selecting instance type and security group and which VPC we want to create our instance and which subnet you want to create instance. So these are the selecting, right? Now, so manually if you want to write, we can select, but same way in so real time we have one tool, some tools available. So in AWS people also they are providing. So there is a one what is that? Mm, uh, I forgot that name. In AWS people also. Anyone any idea?
Cloud
Yes,
formation.
cloud formation. So we have, right. So cloud formation. This is the by default AWS people they are providing. So with the help of this, now see here, AWS cloud formation is the service. AWS people also providing one service. This is one service, cloud formation. With the help of so we can create whatever infrastructure we need in AWS. So with the help of, but these all are using with the help of JSON format. First you need to know what is JSON and how it will work. So with the help of JSON, we are creating one script, and with the help of we are creating all entire infrastructures and all. So this is the AWS people, but most of this AWS, it is supporting only this particular cloud. If you are using AWS cloud formation, we can create a infrastructure GCP. Is it possible in GCP, Microsoft Azure? Anyone? So I am using AWS cloud formation. So AWS cloud formation is the one service provided by AWS people. With the help of this, we can create infrastructure where I can create infrastructure in GCP. No, right?
No, sir.
So
No.
can you create infrastructure in Microsoft Azure? No, because so that is one service provided by AWS people. With the help of that, we can create only within the AWS only. We can create entire infrastructure. Anything, whatever you want, we can manually. As of now, we created manually. I don't want manually. I need to create with the help of automation. That is with the help of script. Okay, reusability, the main thing is so every time no need to create manually, just if I run that script, automatically it will create. So now there is a one tool available, that is what is that, so IOA, infrastructure as a code tool, that is a Terraform. So Terraform is the mostly real time, most of the people we are using Terraform. So even if you type what is Terraform and how it will work, Terraform. This is the Terraform is a an infrastructure as a code. Simply we are calling is IAC infrastructure as a code tool. IAC infrastructure as a code tool. This is mostly we are using Terraform. So with the help of Terraform, we can create our entire infrastructure. Now, next we are going to learn what is Terraform and what is advantage, how it will. This is implemented by AC Corporation. Terraform infrastructure as a code tool that lets to define both the cloud and on-premises resources in human readable configuration file. Human readable configuration human readable configuration file. And here mostly if you want to write any Terraform script, write a document and all, we are using doc file, right? Excel file and all Excel file, and we are same if you want to implement any Terraform script. So this is the extension should be TF, this should be mandatory, TF, Terraform file. So Terraform file, so just remember the extension should be Terraform file. Now come to here, we'll see what is Terraform and all, how it will work. So interview nowadays most of the people are using Terraform only. Just we need to know basics and how it will work. And now we can easily understand. So Terraform is a build tool. Build tool means I want to build my infrastructure. I want to build my infrastructure, and that case we go for so build tool. So that case we are using build. Now see here, build tool, building, changing and versioning infrastructure safely and efficiently. So suppose I need 10 instances. How we are going to create 10 instances, guys? I need 10 instances. Now we know, right? So 10 instance means so there is a one count. If you select a 10 means now it will automatically create 10 instances, right, based on your configuration. You got it? For example, I
Yes,
am
sir.
going to create one instance. Same, we are selecting AMI, we are selecting instance type, we are selecting security group, VPC, subnet and all. So if we want 10 instances, if you want to 10 instances, okay. So we are giving count number of instance 10, 10 instance initially it will create. So later, after creating 10 instances, again I want to add one more resources. How we can do? So 10 instances created, 10 instances created. After creation 10 instances, again all instances I want to do, I want to add one more resource. Just assume I want to add, I want to modify, or I want to do for example VPC I want to update. I want to update VPC. Is it possible again at a time 10 instances? Is it possible or not? Just so first time, okay, you are giving count 10 instances created. Later I want to change something or I want to add one more resource. Okay. So now manually we need to go that particular instance. We need to update, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So manually 10 instance we have to do one by step. But with the help of Terraform, this is a script. Already we have script. Just we are going to run that script. Automatically all instances will be updated. Now if you understand what is Terraform. Terraform is just a tool for build your infrastructure. Now see here, versioning infrastructure safely and effectively. Terraform can manage existing and popular service providers as well as custom in our house solutions. So these are the providers. Now right, these are the providers, cloud providers. AWS one provider and GCP one provider, Microsoft Azure one provider, and so Oracle one provider, and so Alibaba. There is many clouds, right? Some cloud list. So these are the providers, and so in any provider, if you want to create infrastructure, we can go Terraform. Now see here, mostly configuration files. Configuration files means what type of files we are going to create, dot tf files. Tf files is nothing but here configuration files. So tf files, right, in Ansible how we are creating, in Docker how we are creating, default file we are using, right? Same way in Terraform the extension should be tf only. That is nothing but configuration files. Now see here, mostly we are using so how. Now see here, Terraform generate an execution plan. Actually here we are using some commands. So here we are using some commands. So these are the commands. Anyway, we'll discuss coming. So we are using so Terraform plan. Here we are using uh, Terraform in. These are the base. This that's it. Apart from this, nothing. Terraform, Terraform init, validate, Terraform, Terraform plan, and Terraform, Terraform apply, and that's it. Entire, if you want to learn Terraform, these are the commands. Apart from this, nothing we are using. Mostly, so 90% we are using these commands only. See, hardly five only. Terraform init, Terraform validate, Terraform plan, Terraform apply, and Terraform destroy. So with the help of only we are going to execute the your entire Terraform in enterprise script and all. So Terraform able to determine what changes and create incremental execution plans which can be. So which changes you want to execute, what we need to change, what we need to destroy, everything with the help of these commands only we are going to run. We are going to run. The infrastructure Terraform can manage includes low-level components such as right, compute instance, storage, network. These are right, what we can do. We can create VPC, we can create subnet, we can give security group, and so whatever we want. As of now, few services, AWS, all services, manually how to create. But with these service we can implement with the help of Terraform also, with the help of script also. That and all, how to implement, how to write, slowly we are going to learn. Slowly we are going to learn how it will work. Now see here, this is also open source. If you mention resume, so most of the people they are asking few questions here also, very very important. Terraform also, this is also open source. Right, open source means no need to pay, no need to buy anything. So directly we can download from internet, just set the path in environment variable, we can use it. And so this is the created by so Hasi Corporation. This is the company developed Terraform. And even if you see here, mostly we can see that name only. See here, if you go here, starting, if you see here, we can see name. See, Hasi Corporation Developers. So Terraform developed by, this is the company name. This is the company name. This is the company name. Infrastructure as a code software tool created by, this is the company name. Don't confuse here. Hasi Corporation is the company name. So this company only developed Terraform. So that is the year. Okay. Now this is started. So mostly Terraform introduced in 2014. Now almost 10 years completed, right? So now only it is most of the companies, most of the people they are learning and they are using Terraform. Now this is written in the Go language. So mostly Terraform that language it is written by Go language only. You don't worry. These are not only our understanding purpose. No one is asking. So it is started in 2014 and Terraform it is implemented in Go language and this is also open source and here we can have multiple plugins. So with the help of those we can easily integrate. We can easily integrate. We can easily integrate. I hope you got it right. Anyone, any doubt? This is the company. Okay, so who developed Terraform is this is the company name, and so it is introduced first 2014, and so there is a many plugins also available. See here, everything is available here also. Here also, see here, stable version released July so 24. The new version 1.19. This is the new version, and 3 days ago they released every 2 months 3 months they are giving one new release new version and so they are adding some functionality some enhancement they are releasing new version also. Okay, so these are the developers ASI corporation programming language Go, everything available here also. This is the open source, right? So there is no hiding and so whatever you want we can get internet also. This is the official website. This is the official website. So if you want to learn anything, so this is the official website. Same Docker, same right? So AWS people also providing API. And if you want to know anything, this is the official. How it will work, what are the tags. See here, Terraform and Terraform provisioner and target API, how it will work. Anyway, we'll see one by one plan how it will work. We are writing this code and we are planning it and we are applying it. This is the overall our so target. First we are writing infrastructure in the configuration files, TF files. First we are going to write your TF files. That is the TF files. And once that is done, we need to plan, right? Review and changes Terraform will make the your infrastructure. What we are going to do? Plan is nothing but right? So what is your plan? What we need? For example, you want to construct one in house building, own building, right? Building means first they are giving one diagram plan how it will come. So same way here also. First we will see plan and finally apply. Apply means implementation. Apply means implementation. See here Terraform provisions your infrastructure and updates the state file. Update the state file. That's it. This is very simple only, but we need to understand how it will work. Now got it. Now if you go here, so Terraform is a tool to build, change and version, control your infrastructure. So what is our final agenda? What is our final target? To create infrastructure manually or with the help of script? With the help of script only. Manually, you know how to create AWS, that everything. Same thing if we want to implement script. So which is the tool? Terraform is the tool. We cannot write text file, we cannot write Excel file, we cannot write other format JSON and all. Here mostly the extension should be .tf files. What is the file name? Terraform file only. Each and everything Terraform file only. We need to write Terraform file. If you write anything, right? So in KATS we are writing some format, right? Ansible KATS we are writing some correct. Which format we are using there? YML file, right? Dot YAML or YML file. Okay. So YAML or YML format we are using. So here also same. Terraform mostly we are using TF file. Extension should be .tf. That's it. Terraform files. Extension should be TF file. Now see here. Now how it will work. Now see here building infrastructure. So talk to multiple cloud infrastructure providers. So what is main? Already you know, right? So AWS cloud formation. AWS cloud formation. If you use AWS cloud formation, so that will talk with only which cloud? AWS
Amazon.
only cloud formation. So it will talk with only AWS only. Now, with the help of Terraform, we can communicate with any cloud. That is the main here. So if you are this is also same purpose only. But this and all we are going to implement a JSON format. And but if you use AWS cloud formats, it will talk with only, it will connect with only AWS only. It won't connect GCP, it won't connect Microsoft Azure, it won't connect so Oracle cloud, it won't connect so there is many clouds, right? But if you use Terraform, with the help of Terraform, that Terraform should connect with any providers. These are the providers. If you want to, we can connect AWS provider, or if you want to connect, we can GCP also, Microsoft. That is the main advantage of Terraform. See here, so this is the multiple cloud infrastructure providers. So provider means AWS is the one provider, GCP is the one provider, Microsoft Azure is the one provider, so Oracle cloud is the one, IBM cloud is the one provider. So just we are going to change only one name, provider name, that's it. So here mostly we are using provider name AWS, but if you go to GCP, we are going GCP provider name. If you go to Microsoft Azure, that name only we are going to change. That is the main advantage of so this. Now see here, and creation and consistency and expression API. So this is the DSL. Okay, domain specific language and all we can use it. Now see here how it will work. Apply incremental changes and destroy when needed, and preview changes, scale up, scale easily. So right, incremental changes. Incremental changes means I want to do something. Already I have some script. Once if this is done means I need to add few more resources. We can also increment. Increments means add resources. Add resources. Whatever we want, so we can add resources. That is the incremental changes. Destroy. Destroy means, for example, you created so one AWS instance. You don't want this instance. Suppose if you want to delete, how we are deleting this and all. For example, just assume AMI instance type security group VPC subnets. I want to delete, I want to destroy all these resources. How we are deleting? Is it possible to delete at a time manually, at a time all?
No.
No, sir.
How we are deleting? First we are deleting instance, next we are deleting, first we are deleting instance, next we are deleting security group one by one, or VPC or subnet. We have to do one by one. But if we come to Terraform, we can destroy all these things only one command. But manually means we have to delete one time instance, one time VPC, one time security group, one time subnets. So whatever blah blah blah, one by one only we have to delete manually. But if you come to Terraform, see here, destroy when needed, only one command. So Terraform destroy. Sorry, this is not deploy. This is destroy. Okay. This is not deploy. Destroy. Deploy means right. How we are going to? This is not a deploy. This is not a destroy. This is not deploy. DESTRY. This is the destroy. Destroy means I want to delete entire infrastructure and all. So if you want to do like this, so this is the destroy. Okay. So now preview changes. Before creating preview, right? So what are the resource we are going to create? So that and all also we can see it. Even while creating manually also, finally it will display the right side, right? Preview. Preview is nothing but your configuration. What are the options you selected? So that and all we can see under the so preview only. Now go to here, say scale up, and if you want to we can increase, or if you want to we can downgrade also. Scale up and scale down also. Now see here, scale up. Now see here, these are the, so now got it, right? Anyone any doubt here? You got some idea, right? Now come to here, these are the variables. So variables is nothing but right, this is the placeholders. And in so just in Terraform also we are going to use some variables. Terraform takes variables as input, and there is a typed variables, and we can format JSON format, HCL and CLI command line interface, and we are going to pass this and all different ways we can pass, and we can declare. How we can declare means in Ansible, right? Already you know Ansible, how to declare variable and how to simply it is nothing but placeholders. So for example, this is the name, right? So name equal to I am giving some name, right? DevOps. So this is right, key, and this is a value, and every time this is a constant. Right now I passed. So now if we want to pass runtime, we are giving so how to declare variable and how to call. Same way, Terraform also we can declare some variables, and these are the input, and to take input and we can execute. We can call CLI mode, or we can call HCL, or we can call JSON format. So there is different types of variables also available, and we can use that variables also. Now there is output. If you want to print anything, right, Linux or shell scripting, how we are printing? If you want to print anything, what is the command we are using? Linux. I want to print something. Welcome to DevOps. Which command we are using?
So,
Sorry, if you want,
equal.
echo, right? So we are printing echo. This is fixed. That's it. Even shell scripting, Linux. If you want to print something, we are using echo, right? Same way in Terraform, if you want to print, there is a output. There is a output. We are giving some name, and this is the syntax. We are calling like this. Whatever you want, if you want to print, so this is like this. We are using Terraform output. If you want to declare any variable in so Linux or shell scripting, if you want to declare any variable, how we are declaring, guys? Read hyphen p. We are using right, hyphen p. So enter variable, enter name, or enter something, right? Now got it. So next we are printing. If you want to print, we are using echo. So dollar name we are using same. And same way in Terraform, if you want to declare any variable, there is a, so how we are using that is the input. If you want to declare any variable, we are using input. If you want to print something, this is the output. So under output we are using that one. Under output we are printing that particular things under. Anyway, coming classes we'll see all these things. Just understand high level how it will work. Now where are you? So this is okay. Now this is output. Now go to here. Now see here providers. Now providers is nothing but configuration of resource provider. Which cloud you want to connect? Which cloud you want to connect? So that and all we can configure under the providers only. Under the providers. So provider is nothing but here cloud name. So here provider is nothing but we are giving a provider, and so we are giving provider name. I am connected with AWS. I am giving AWS. That's it. This is the provider name, and here we are going to use so that is how we are connecting. If you want to connect AWS, we need username, right? Already you know that is AMI, root user, IAM users. So each user have access key and secret key, right? Yes or no? Already you know how to
Yes,
create
sir.
user in AWS. Same way here access. This is the provider access underscore key, and so and secret access key and secret key. Why you need to add this and all? You need to connect AWS cloud. Okay, which user you want to connect? Right, in real time many people working parallelly, and every user they have username, they have access key and secret key. With the help of this only we are connecting to a particular cloud. For example, if you want to connect GCP, just we are giving only GCP here. That's it, very simple. See here, GCP. For example, if you want to connect Microsoft Azure, that provider name only we are changing. Only we are changing provider name. And if you are using AWS cloud formation, this facility not available here. By default, it is connecting only AWS. No, no, no. I want to connect with GCP. Now provider name is GCP only. Suppose if you want to connect Microsoft Azure, provider name we are giving Microsoft Azure. Suppose if you want to connect IBM cloud, we are giving that cloud name only. This is very simple, right? So that is the greatness of Terraform. We can connect any provider, any provider. So that is the reason. So Terraform is top market in so nowadays. So we can connect any provider, any cloud. So only this is the tag, provider name. But anyway, next class we'll see how it will work under. Now this is okay. See here, now providers. Now these are the models. In Terraform also group of resources, and model is nothing but a group of files, right? And taking parameters and return output. So model is nothing but so we are going to divide multiple. So common models and all some place and so reusability models that and all we are declaring. Anyway, we'll see. And these are the plan. Plan is nothing but right. That is general word only. Plan is nothing but create a plan of changes required. What is my plan? For example, I want to construct anything. First, we are writing some plan, right? Plan, how it will work. See here, create a plan of changes required. And so does nothing to a infrastructure. Here plan is nothing but so what are the resource you want to create. So we are giving some plan. This is nothing but Terraform plan. So everything Terraform will display. This is your plan. These are the instances. These are the resources we are going to create. So that information and all it will display. Once the plan is ready, now we are going to implement. Implement is nothing but apply. If you don't want, we can destroy. That's it. So now go to here. This is the plan and same apply. Apply means see Terraform apply. Apply say plan. Make all changes and can make the plan before it needed. Apply means actual resource will create. Actual resource. Plan means it won't create. It will show. అంటే ప్లాన్ అంటే మనం క్రియేట్ కాదు, ఏమేం క్రియేట్ అవుతుందో చూపిస్తుంది. అప్లై మీన్స్ ద రియల్ రిసోర్స్ విల్ క్రియేట్. ద రియల్ రిసోర్స్ విల్ క్రియేట్, దట్ ఈస్ అప్లై. And there is one more file is state file. This is the current known state of an infrastructure. So that existing infrastructure information and all we can see stored in the one file, that is the TF file. And so this is a we are following lock mechanism. This is very very important. Anyway, one day we will discuss what is the state file, what is the state file, and what is the behavior of state file, and how it will work, and what is the lock mechanism, and how it will work. Okay, this is the state file. State file is nothing but our entire infrastructure information we can see in the file. Now this is the destroy, right? Destroy means delete the all the resources at a time. Destroy is nothing but deleting, that's it. Destroy is nothing but delete all the resources, delete the all the resources. And so this is the we can run. Plan means preview the execution plan, and apply means execute the plan. Destroy means remove the entire infrastructure. Only hardly we are executing these commands only. Hardly we are executing these hardly we are executing these commands only. Clear guys? So anyone any doubt here? So what is Terraform? Terraform as a infrastructure as a code tool. So with the help of Terraform, we can create any cloud infrastructure. Okay. So whether we can connect AWS cloud or GCP cloud or so Microsoft Azure, anything, whatever you want, we can connect, we can create. And hardly we need to remember this one only. Okay. So what is this? So Terraform init, Terraform validate, Terraform plan, Terraform apply, Terraform destroy. Apart from this, mostly these are the main commands. These are the commonly, these are the these are the common commands. These are the common commands. So mostly we are using this one only. Okay. I hope you got some idea, right? So anyone any doubt here? So why you go for Terraform? Simply if you want to understand, create infrastructure in cloud manually or with the help of script.
Script only.
Only script. That's it. That's what is enough. Only script only. We are not going to do anything manually nowadays. Okay. So in AWS, mostly I created manual, right? Now in we are going to create with the help of script. I am going to create entire infrastructure. Now, so if it is clear, so let's move on to how to install, how to set up Terraform. So if you want to set up Terraform, this is very simple only. This is the one simple software only. First you need to download. First in download. This is also open source, right? No need to buy anything, guys. So just go to Google, try to type so download Terraform. Download, download also Terraform. Terraform. Download Terraform for Windows. Just click on. So see here, this is the download Terraform for Windows. Anything already these people are providing, and this is the Mac OS for Windows. See here, and if you want to, we can Linux. Are all flavors available here itself? Whatever you want. This is very simple. Installation part is very simple only. No need to worry. So no need to worry. So if you are using Terraform, sorry Mac OS, we need to execute these commands. And if you are using Windows operating system, see here, these are the binary, see here, and download. And if you want to 64-bit, download this one. Now the latest version is 1.9. So that latest version is 1.9. And if you want to Linux, we need to execute these commands. That's it. Now we can download this one also. If you want to, we can download also. ARM files also we can download. So see here, what this all the solar, all operating system flavor available here, whatever you want. Now I am using Windows, right? So just select Windows and click on this one, based on your operating system. You know, right? How I know my operating system 64-bit or 32-bit? Go to my computer. So go to my computer, and so where is this, right click and go to properties, and we can see where we can see somewhere we can see here, this is the operating system version and all. Here is system type, see here 64-bit operating system. My currently I am using Windows 11. Windows 11 operating system is Windows 11, and system type is 64-bit. In our case, just check this option whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. So if it is 64-bit means we need to download second option. 64 means this one. Suppose your operating system is 32 means download this one. But anyway, I need this one. Click on download, and automatically it will download. What happens? Now see here. Now see here. This is the very simple software. Only 26 MB. Once that is done, keep somewhere. Keep somewhere and extract. So this is download, right? Go to download. This is the software, very simple only. And copy this one or extract here itself, that is your wish. Okay, now go to here, D drive. Already I keep somewhere. D drive, D drive, and softwares, and softwares. Where is my softwares folder? Softwares. And here, see here, there is Terraform 1.6. Already I set last year. Already I set that is 1.6. That is the older version. Now what is the latest? See here, that time I downloaded, just paste it 1.9. So that's it. This is the 1.9. This is the latest version, guys. So this is the latest version. And last year I set, so right now my machine it is running 1.6. Now extract this, extract only, extract here, extract to 1.9. That's it. Okay, now see here, you are extracted. Where is that? Terraform 1.9. Now see here, extracted. Now this is the file, only one file we can see. This is the exe file, this is the application, this is the exe file. Okay, application. Now copy this path, copy this path. I hope everyone know how to set Java, how to set maven in environment variable. Same way, copy this path, and where you need to go? Anyone? Window E, go to my computer, go to or type here window environment variable env e. So type env environment variable, edit environment variable, and click on select path, click on edit. Now we can see already Terraform here available or not. Now see here already 1.6 is runnable. So just click on the new, just paste it, just okay, that's it. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt? How to set, how to download Terraform, how to set in our mission? Very simple. First go to browser, download the file. So whether which operating system you are using, Windows or Linux or Mac. Once the download is done, extract the folder. Once extraction is done, copy that path where that extracted folder available in our mission, and go to click on window and type environment, same like Java only, env env environment variables, and so click on select path, click on edit, and just add, that's it. Okay, now already 1.6 is running. I don't want to update. First I want to show which version it is coming. Okay, once that is done, how to check Java version guys? Anyone? How we are checking Java? Suppose I want to check Java is running or not. I want to check Maven is running or not. How to check Java version?
Java hyphen version.
Java hyphen hyphen
Hyphen one
version.
version.
Now see here,
Java.
Java space
11
hyphen
point.
hyphen.
Yeah,
Suppose Maven mun space hyphen hyphen version.
version.
Now see here, if it is Maven is running, we can say Maven version. Okay. Now same way Terraform. Now see Terraform hyphen hyphen version. Now we can see here what is the version I am using. Terraform 1.6, 1.6.6. So what is the latest version? Here itself we can see your version of the Terraform is out of date, and so latest version is available. See here the latest version is 1.9. Okay, so you can update by downloading this link. If you want to, we can click on this link, we can download. But anyway, 1.6 is enough for me. I don't want latest version, that's it. Okay, now these are the, that's it. So CLS, I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt here? Now, so now Terraform setup is ready. Now how to create, how to create Terraform files, and how to execute, and all I will show next class. So as of now, anyone any doubt guys? What is Terraform and how it will work? Just Google it. Everything available official document. You don't worry. And whatever you want, everything we can get from here only. Everything get from here only. Okay. So this is the official document. Also here also they given clear instruction. We can check it here. The left side also we can check Windows and all anyone. Okay. Next class we'll see so how to write a simple Terraform script, how to run, and how to create infrastructure in AWS. I hope you got it right. Clear.